The whole class is saving coins to buy more books. How much do you think we've saved so far? How do people earn money? People can earn money from their jobs. Some people provide a service, and other people make or grow goods to earn money. I earn money for doing chores each week. An allowance is a small amount of money you can earn from a parent or family member. I get an allowance every week. It's my responsibility to save and spend my money wisely. How do people spend money? We buy things we need and things we want. When you buy something, think about what you need or want. I don't need a model rocket, but I want one. I worked hard to earn my allowance, so I want to make sure to spend my money wisely. Let's see. I have $8. Cool. That rocket costs $8. Wait, if I spend all my money, then I won't have any left. It's a good idea to shop around and look for the lowest price before you buy something. You can visit different stores, look online to compare prices, or find coupons that help you save money. You can also wait and see if the price goes down later. Or try to find something similar that's used, like at a garage sale. You're right, Moby. This rocket's different, but it's cheaper. But I still don't need a rocket. There are other things I do need to spend my money on. A budget is a plan for spending and saving money. A budget helps you organize and keep track of how you use your money. My budget shows how much money I earned this week, how much I've spent so far, how much money I have right now, and what I need to spend money on. I promised to go to the museum with Mia, and I'll need to buy a ticket that costs $5. If I buy that rocket, I won't have enough money left for a ticket. It's a good idea to buy the things you need before you buy the things you want. I'll save up money and buy a rocket later. How can you save money? When you save money, you put it away to use later. If you save just a little every day, you can save a lot in a month, and even more in a year. A budget can help you plan for important things in the future, like college, a car, or even a house. Mia really wanted a guitar, so she took extra work around the neighborhood to earn more money. She put aside $1 each day. Grandpa helped her open a savings account at the bank where she could keep her money. After a few months, she saved enough money to buy a guitar. Maybe we should save up to buy some earplugs. How can you share money? When you donate, you give money to people or groups. Each year, our neighborhood raises money to donate to the town library. A charity is a special group that does good things for a community. When you donate money to a charity, it helps them continue their work. Our class is collecting money to buy books for our library. Everyone gives just a little, and it all adds up. Soon we'll have cool books for the whole class to share. You're starting a charity? Pony for Moby?